Hello, this is Shaun Thomas, and today I'm going to go over 4.4-8, go over the code, and then also also display the fractal terrain generation. So I'm going to go ahead and first run the code. So here's our terrain. This is the OBJ file that was generated, and it's displayed in this this JFrame window, or it's I guess the child of the JFrame class, but that's how we're displaying the window, or the OBJ file in the window. And you can interact with the OBJ file by clicking on it. So as you see, if I press both mouse buttons together, this will flatten out the terrain. So if I just drag my mouse back and forth, it's going to eventually clear all of it. I'm just going to clear a little bit so I can demo the height increase and height decrease of the terrain. So now that I made a good field, if I click on the left mouse button, as you can see, it increases the height of the terrain. And then if I right click, it decreases the height of the terrain. And then if I left click in that same area, it should come back up. And then if I click both again, it should just flatten it out to, I guess, a neutral area. So that's pretty much all the functionality I want to demo for this. Now I'm going to walk through the code. So here's the code. Some first things that I added was the imports to get the window to work. And pretty much here is how to open the window. This creates the window. It's a JFrame. And this closes it. And this allows it to be displayed isometrically. And this shows the window. And then this terrain panel is a subclass or extends the J panel. So pretty much we have some variables here to determine the dimensions of it. Then we have this brush variable which determines I guess the area that's being affected when you click on it. And then here's where we set the dimensions. We put the background color here, and then we add mouse event listeners, so you can drag your mouse back and forth to actually edit the terrain. And then here's where we add the mouse drag event listener. And then here's another function to just render the terrain isometrically, instead of viewing it from the top, so that you can actually see the height change and look interesting. It's instead of from the top where it just look all flat all the time. So I believe that's all of my changes I want to demo. So that's 4.4-8.